is aware of the fact that he made a mistake, but he cannot understand the reaction of this biker.
If you need some medical assistance, but the best part is that may block the road a little bit behind me so that I won't get run over so bad. Oh, 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 oh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You okay?
The driver was in a hurry and for a long time has tested the patience of the biker, who finally found a way to get back at him a little bit.
Like an idiot, I took them too wide.
That happens to all of us, my friend.
Wide. Here, let me get up.
Are you trapped under there? Or you got it.
No, I'm not trapped. I'm just on my knee.
I gotcha.
Don't worry about it. The bike's fine. Yep, let's get all on this side. Ah, bro, tío, en serio.
Unfortunately, we haven't seen the whole situation, but the biker is entering the roundabout too confidently and is surprised by the quite slippery surface.
Puta agua.
Ya, ha patinado, ¿no?
Sí.
¿Qué tal?
Sí, está bien. Apretado, ¿no?
Here we have a very similar situation. In spite of difficult conditions, the biker is adding too much throttle on a curve.
Yeah, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. I just need to pick it up.
This rider decided to take a shortcut, not having realized that he was being watched by a cop.
How's it going? Close the
Your hand away
door.
from that.
Let's, yeah, I'm good.
Put your hands on the handlebar. Is that recording?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why are you going around barricades and
So
stuff?
I was just trying to get a little closer.
It
Sorry
doesn't
about
matter.
that. There
Why are
wasn't
you
much
going around
parking.
barricades?
There wasn't much parking. Sorry about that.
sorry?
I was just trying to find some good parking.
Okay.
It's
Do you have
hot.
your license with you?
I do.
Let's grab it real quick, please.
Is it okay if I grab it?
That's fine. Just stay away from the rifle
Yep.
as best you can.
It's right here. Yeah, I was just melting back there trying to see what's going on.
You have insurance on the bike?
Yes, sir. It's on my phone.
Okay, going 4 out. How many road closed barricade signs did you find?
This is the first one. I thought this road was open, to be honest. That's why I was
There's a
like,
reason why
okay.
those are there, man.
Yeah, I didn't see that until I got too close.
Okay, well, I can turn around an 838-pound Harley in a matter of real close. I'm sure you can turn this a little bit closer, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I gotta take off my helmet so it recognizes my face.
Fine. How many other firearms you got on you?
One more.
Okay, just do me a favor and stay away from
Yeah,
me.
you're good.
The
It's
best
on.
you can.
Yes, sir.
Hi. Maybe you should move. Yeah, good idea. You shouldn't stay there. You need to move to the side. Yeah. Careful. Bye.
The driver, despite noticing the biker, doesn't give up and still stays on his side of the road.
Look where the you're going, you. Oh.
Come on, dude, look.
Thanks for watching till the end, I hope you've enjoyed it. See you soon in the next video. Ride safe.